What's up guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Alex and today we're going to be adding more parts to the Denali build. So today what I'm going to install is some Spec-D, I think it's Spec-D taillights. They're LED taillights and they have like a little C around them, so they look pretty sweet. I'll show you guys what it looks like, I'll show you guys what the stock one looked like, and then I'll show you guys how to install it. So alright, let's go. Alright guys, so pulled the truck in. We had to finish tinting the Tundra, so it kind of got dark outside, so I can't really show you guys what the taillights look like outside, but yeah, so I'm going to take off the stock taillight and we're going to install the other one. I'm going to show you guys like what came in the box and how the taillights fit and if they're even good, because Spec-D, this is my first time hearing about that company. I mostly know like Recon, Wingjet, but I don't know, the reviews are pretty good, so we'll see. I'll show you guys, yeah, let me show you guys what the stock one looks like, what the daytime running lights look like and stuff. Okay, so here's the stock one. Just, you know, your usual red and the clear. They actually look pretty good. So, and then when I unlock it, that's what happens. You got the regular stock halogens in here. That's the daytime running lights, and then when you press the brakes, this just kind of lights up more, you know, but yeah. So what you need for this project is you need a T15 Torx, and then a Phillips screwdriver once you put the aftermarket taillights on. So this is what the box came, this is which box it came in. I already unboxed it just to make sure they're not cracked or anything, you know, but so the taillight will just be laying in here like this, and then it is gonna have the saran wrap in here, but I took it off. So this is, yeah, this is what it looks like. They have like 6 different versions. If you look at the installation care, there's like 6 different versions. They have like a tinted, like a smoked, and like a pitch black one, and then they have like a clear one. They have one without the red right here. It's just kind of like a clear or, you know, smoked. But I just decided to get the red here. Just, I don't know, it looks different. And then I didn't do the smoked lens. I just did a clear lens with the black inside. You know, so I think it looks pretty sweet. So yeah, so this is gonna be your daytime running lights right here, and then that's gonna be your daytime running lights too. It's gonna be all, you know, on like during the day and stuff. And then when you press the brake, those are gonna light up. They're all LEDs. And then your backup lights are gonna be right here, and then that's just the reflectors. So for these taillights, they don't come with like bulbs or anything like that. So you have to use your factory, you know, bulbs that came off your taillights. So I'll show you guys how to hook it up. And then later I'm gonna change the backup lights to LEDs, because we're gonna do LEDs everything. That's gonna be a separate video. I'm gonna change all the bulbs on the whole truck and LEDs, and then I'll have links to all of them. So also, yeah, so here's your bolts, just you know, regular Phillips. Oh, if I don't lose it. And then this is the resistor. Yeah, this is the resistor, so then it's not gonna like flash or hyper flash or whatever. So alright, so this is what you do. So you got these two screws are here, just unscrew them, and that's gonna be it. Yeah, so all you do is just pull it, pretty much, that's it. Just gotta be careful, don't drop it so you don't scratch your paint. But yeah, it just sits on these little like tabs that go in there, and then those screws. So unplug all these. And then all these stock bulbs, just remove them all. Actually, we do need the reverse light. So, and that's it. And then I'm gonna clean up this area. So with alcohol, just clean up someplace where the resistor block can be put, and then so it wouldn't be in the way of anything. Peel off the double-sided, this is just double-sided sticky tape. Peel off the release liner, and then just put it on right here somewhere. So shiny. All right, so and then this is your reverse liner here. Just put that guy back in there. And then your daytime running lights, you don't need them, but it still has a little place for it. And then, so this is the wire harness for the actual tail light. So all you do is just you plug this sucker in here, and then plug in your resistor. And then that's it. Place it into these little tabs are here. Make sure the tabs are, you know, directly with the holes, so it actually goes in perfectly straight. That's it. So you can use the factory hardware, but I'm actually missing one, so I'm just gonna use the ones that they came with. They're just the Phillips. Just thread it in by hand, a couple turns, and then I use the power tool. That's just my like rule of thumb or how I do everything, because it's easy to strip the threads with any power tool on anything. Yeah, you don't have to over tighten it. You know, as long as it's nice and tight, it ain't gonna go anywhere. But I wouldn't over tighten any plastic parts. So, and I think that's it. Let's see how it looks. So this is what the taillights look like on the truck. Black truck, black taillights inside with a little bit of red. And then when you press and lock, this is what happens. I really don't like this stock bulb. It is so ugly, yellow and everything. That's this is the daytime running light, the C light, and that's a little light right there inside. Reflectors right there. I think it looks pretty awesome. It like changes the whole look. And then there's your brake lights. So when you press the brakes, these are all gonna light up. Alright, so I just put the tail light on the other side as well. And on that one I actually put the LED reverse light. So let me just show you guys the difference. That's the stock one right here. And this is the LED one. Oh yeah, so much cleaner. Looks awesome. Alright guys, so we're done with the tail lights. Installed see, this is what they look like. Wait, this is actually the wrong truck. I'm totally kidding with you guys. The taillights, they're pretty easy to install. It's just the two screws on the sides, the T15s. You remove them, unplug all the bulbs. We'll take out the light, unplug all the bulbs, put the aftermarket light in, connect the resistor. Don't forget the resistor. The resistor is very important. And then just connect all the little sockets into the tail light, and then put the reverse light bulb in there, and then connect the actual wire harness for the tail light. And that's it. Nice and simple and easy, and they look pretty awesome. So we'll see how long they last, if they're gonna start leaking or anything. We'll see. But alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys next one. Stay tuned for more parts installs. Have a good one.